Welcome to our countdown of the strangest animals in the world that you cannot believe exist. From the deepest depths of our oceans to the lush rainforests, our planet is teeming with life, and some of it is truly remarkable. Over millions of years, evolution has sculpted creatures of astonishing diversity, each uniquely adapted to their environment. In the next 9 minutes, prepare to be amazed by some of the most bizarre creatures on our planet. We will journey across continents and plunge into the depths to encounter animals that seem to defy logic and challenge our understanding of the natural world. Get ready to meet creatures that look like they belong in a science fiction film. Animals with abilities that seem almost supernatural and life forms so strange that you'll wonder if you've stepped into an alien world. Our journey begins in the ancient lakes of Mexico, home to a creature that seems to hold the secret to eternal youth. This is the axolotl, a salamander unlike any other. While most salamanders metamorphose into land-dwelling adults, the axolotl chooses to remain in its larval form throughout its life, retaining its feathery gills and youthful appearance. But the axolotl's most remarkable trait is its ability to regenerate. Should it lose a limb, a tail, or even parts of its heart, the axolotl can simply regrow them, a feat that has captivated scientists for decades. This incredible regenerative power makes the axolotl not only strange, but also a subject of intense scientific study. Imagine the possibilities if we could unlock the secrets of the axolotl's regenerative abilities. It's a tantalizing glimpse into the potential of the natural world. Our next encounter takes us to Madagascar, a land of unique wildlife. Here lives the aye, a nocturnal lemur shrouded in mystery. With bat-like ears, yellow eyes, and an elongated middle finger, the aye is feared by locals. It taps on trees, listening for grubs, then uses its finger to extract them. Sadly, habitat loss has pushed the aye to the brink of extinction. From the shadowy depths of the ocean, we encounter a creature that has become an unlikely internet sensation. This is the blobfish, often dubbed the world's ugliest animal. Its appearance is due to adaptation to extreme deep-sea pressure. Lacking a rigid skeleton, its body is a gelatinous mass. This helps it maintain buoyancy and conserve energy. Instead of judging its looks, marvel at its ability to thrive in such a harsh environment. Chapter 4. The Star-Nosed Mole. A sensory marvel beneath our feet. Our next encounter takes us beneath the surface into the hidden world of the star-nosed mole. This small subterranean creature might seem unassuming at first glance, but its most remarkable feature lies at the end of its snout. The star-nosed mole possesses a unique, star-shaped nose, a fleshy appendage covered in over 25,000 sensory receptors known as Imer's organs. This extraordinary sense organ allows the star-nosed mole to see its environment in complete darkness. Imagine a world without light, where touch is paramount. The star-nosed mole's star-shaped nose is a marvel of sensory perception, allowing it to detect prey with astonishing speed and precision. In the blink of an eye, it can identify, capture, and consume its prey, making it one of the fastest eaters in the animal kingdom. Chapter 5. The Saiga Antelope, a nomadic icon on the brink. Our journey now takes us to the steppes of Central Asia, home to a creature that seems to have stepped out of a prehistoric past. This is the Saiga antelope, a critically endangered species with a distinctive, bulbous nose. The saiga's most striking feature, its large, inflatable nose, serves multiple purposes. During the harsh winters, the nose warms the frigid air before it reaches the lungs. And during the spring migration, when vast herds of saiga gather, the nose acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying the male's calls to attract mates. Sadly, this iconic species is facing an uncertain future. Habitat loss, poaching, and disease have decimated saiga populations, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Chapter 6. the leafy sea dragon, master of disguise in the kelp forest. Our exploration now takes us to the coastal waters of Australia, where we encounter a creature that seems to have mastered the art of disguise. This is the leafy sea dragon, a marine fish that resembles floating seaweed, adorned with elaborate appendages that mimic the fronds of kelp. The leafy sea dragon blends seamlessly into its surroundings. This remarkable camouflage provides protection from predators and allows the sea dragon to ambush unsuspecting prey. Imagine drifting through a kelp forest surrounded by swaying fronds, only to discover that some of them are not plants at all, but these masters of disguise. The leafy sea dragon's delicate beauty and remarkable adaptation make it a true icon of the underwater world. Chapter 7. The Pink Fairy Armadillo, a miniature marvel of the desert. Our next encounter takes us to the arid grasslands of Argentina, home to the smallest and arguably cutest armadillo species. This is the Pink Fairy Armadillo, a creature so diminutive it could fit in the palm of your hand. Named for its rosy-hued shell and fairy-like appearance, the Pink Fairy Armadillo is a master burrower. Using its powerful claws, it tunnels through sandy soil, creating burrows to escape the heat and search for insects. Its delicate pink shell is loosely attached, giving it flexibility underground. This tiny armored wonder showcases the diversity of life in harsh environments. Chapter 8. The Yeti Crab, a furry enigma from hydrothermal vents. Our journey now takes us to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, hydrothermal vents, deep beneath the ocean's surface. Here in the darkness, amidst scalding hot water and toxic chemicals, thrives the Yeti crab. This remarkable creature, named for its furry claws that resemble the legendary Yeti, was only discovered in 2005. Living in complete darkness, the Yeti crab has evolved an extraordinary adaptation. It farms bacteria on its hairy claws, cultivating its own food source in this otherwise barren environment. Imagine a world without sunlight, where life depends on harnessing energy from chemicals spewing from the Earth's core. The Yeti crab, a testament to the adaptability of life, thrives in this alien world. Chapter 9. The Dumbo Octopus, an adorable denizen of the deep. Our final encounter takes us back to the deep sea, where we meet a creature that could have been plucked from the pages of a children's storybook. This is the Dumbo Octopus, named for its ear-like fins that resemble those of the beloved Disney character. These charming appendages, far from being mere decorations, are used for propulsion, allowing the Dumbo Octopus to fly gracefully through the water. Living at depths where sunlight barely penetrates, the Dumbo octopus navigates the darkness using its large, sensitive eyes. Imagine a world of perpetual twilight, where creatures like the Dumbo octopus dance and drift in the abyss. It's a reminder that even in the most remote and challenging environments, life finds a way to thrive and even enchant. Outro, a world of wonder awaits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. From the bizarre to the beautiful, our planet is teeming with life that continues to amaze and inspire. The creatures we've encountered today are just a glimpse into the incredible diversity of the natural world. Which of these strange animals did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, it's our responsibility to protect these creatures in their habitats so that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of our planet. There's still so much more to discover, so join us next time as we continue our exploration of the natural world.